Here is the second video on pedagogy for the post of headmaster and the teachers. The first question is in this video: a teacher is considered successfully only if he dash and question mark. Its answer is option D. Is gentle and easily approachable. Next question. Before accepting the teaching profession, one must know. Its answer is option C. The future prospects of his profession. Next question. Women are given preferences in teaching of primary children. Its answer is option A. She is emotionally understanding. Next question. The use of internet for students in their emotional educational activities is your opinion. Its answer is option B. Medium of for good teaching. Next question. The teaching approach in which students share knowledge with other students through a variety of structures is known as. Its answer is option C. Cooperative learning model. Next question. When students are asked to leave the classroom to observe events, organisms, and objects in their natural surroundings, the teacher is actually using dash strategy to teach them. Its answer is option A. Field observation. Next question. Traditionally, the cards with a question, problem, or fact on one side and the answer or a related fact on the other side are called. Its answer is option C. Flashcards. Next question. Discovery teaching is actually a. Its answer is option C. Constructivist approach. Next question. Teacher reads aloud to the class to improve students. Its answer is option D. As the next question. Reading or looking at material quickly to gain an overview of the content is the reading technique is called. Its answer is option B. Skimming. And the next question. Team activity to summarize reading is also termed as. Its answer is option B. Relay summary. Next question. Which instruction is delivered by a person close in age or achievement to the person receiving instruction? The process is known as. Its answer is option C. Peer tutoring. Next question. In a round table discussion, the participants dash discuss topic among themselves and with the audience. Is its option is option B is correct. Informally. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. शुक्रिया.